What's up, everybody? Joe's joking, whatever my garage is. Oh man, the COVID. I'm getting bored and I'm going crazy. Thought I was gonna put a little, I just hit my fucking head on that thing. Ow. Thought I was gonna put a little gas in the truck. We'll take it for a ride. See how it does with this load. And man, that's a load of wood right there, buddy. The whole damn tree, heavy. Let's do another cold start. It's 24 degrees this morning. So this will be a little colder than last night. Let's see. There she goes. Get my rearview mirror fixed up here. Alright, let's go put a little gas in this baby. I'm gonna take her up to the 4 lane and get her up to speed. I'm telling you, man, this load of wood in it, she's riding like that darn Lexus right there. Oh, man, it's beautiful weather, so sunny, but dang, it's cold for Georgia. Whew, 24 degrees, that's cold. I know that ain't jack crap in a lot of places, but man, that's cold here. We just don't, you know, we get down, I don't know, probably our lowest, we'll get down to teens, you know, maybe a night or two in the middle of the night. Occasionally might hit a single digit, but usually the teens is about as cold as we ever get. And that's not every year. That's just once every, you know, so few years or something. But we've had some 20s here the past couple of weeks, several nights where it was the 20s. And I'm sorry, y'all are probably laughing at me, but that's freaking cold. But I like it because I can't stand the heat. Plus, I always think your car has more get up and go in the cold weather. Got that natural cold air intake. You know what I mean? Not getting heat soaked with the summer heat, nice and cool under the hood. Yeah, let me go. I'm gonna go right here to this green BP and get us a little fuel, and then we'll take her out on the road a little bit. $20. Not quite a half a tank. You know, this little truck's got a pretty big old tank on her. I don't remember how many gallons, but I imagine it with it being like a work truck special, you know, 6-cylinder, automatic, 2-wheel drive, regular cab. It's probably got some sort of optional long-range work truck tank installed on it, I would guess. Man, that $20, man, it'd take him 50 to fill her up, I bet. Man, she runs good. I'm gonna treat her to an oil change next week. That only seems fair. aeration pool here. Man, she's a go-getter. Pulls like nothing's back there. Oh, the old 97 F150, man. What a tough old bird. I mean, damn, I'm cruising 70. It's 55 out here. Yeah, there's that ride. Take those bumps. Nice and smooth. Oh boy. I need a new windshield wiper. It's dry rotted. Maybe we'll treat with the oil change. We'll get some new wipers. Alright, well, I was getting bored and going nuts. That little Hyundai Venue, that is a weird little SUV. Supposedly that's replacing the Hyundai Accent. I don't know what to think about that thing. It looks a little bit handicapped. Anyway, that's off topic. Y'all have a wonderful day after Christmas. Enjoy your leftovers. I'm still in the coronavirus lockdown. And I'm brushing my teeth with a pistol. So I hope things are going great for you. We'll talk to you later. Like, subscribe, comment. Please comment. Give me someone to talk to. Please.